It's a 2015 Acura TLX. A fresh and unique experience. It offers up all the thrills and luxuries you've come to expect in an Acura. Embrace the road with precision all-wheel steer, which adjusts the rear wheels to complement the front when making turns. Noise dampening technology, a power sunroof, memory settings, and keyless access keep every other aspect of driving just as elegantly effortless.
It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. You don't have to take your eyes off the road for the information you need with the heads-up display. The blind spot indicator helps you maneuver through traffic.
Let the rhythm of the road take you when you test drive this TLX today.
Pohanka Acura is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13911 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.